Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're staring at the 0E error code on your LG dishwasher and wondering what's going on, you're in the right place. This error can be frustrating, but don't worry, I'm going to walk you through what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it step by step. Let's dive in. First, let's break down the 0E error code. It typically indicates a problem with the water inlet system. Basically, your dishwasher isn't getting the water it needs to run a cycle. This could be due to issues like low water pressure, a blocked hose, or a faulty valve. Understanding this is key to troubleshooting effectively. Now, what causes this error? The most common culprits include a kinked or clogged water supply hose, which restricts water flow. Low household water pressure, perhaps from other appliances using water at the same time. A malfunctioning inlet valve that isn't opening properly, or even a dirty filter inside the dishwasher that's blocking water intake. Identifying the cause will save you time and effort. Alright, let's get to the solutions. Start by checking your water supply. Ensure the hose is straight, not kinked, and that the water valve under your sink is fully open. If that looks good, inspect and clean the dishwasher's filter. You can usually find it at the bottom of the unit. Just remove it, rinse it under running water, and put it back. Next, try resetting your dishwasher. Unplug it from the wall for about 5 minutes, then plug it back in and run a test cycle. This often clears temporary glitches. If the error persists, you might need to examine the inlet valve. If you're handy, test it with a multimeter for continuity, but if not, it's safer to call a professional technician. Remember, always prioritize safety. Unplug the appliance before any hands-on work. By following these steps, you should have your LG dishwasher up and running in no time. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home repair tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.